Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a barbell back squat. For a barbell squat, we're going to take and I like to put my ring finger or my middle finger on the first gap in the knurling. For me personally, that's good for my shoulders. We're going to put the bar on your traps, pinch your shoulder blades together, step under, step up. You want your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. From here, our hips are going to go back and down as our knees kind of go out. Go as low as you can comfortably and drive your head straight up. Right? Drop back down, core tight, exhale on the way up. Now there's a quick tutorial of our barbell back squat. If you liked the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Barbell back squat, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.